Wow, that is actually very simple. If you want to learn to cook for free, it is, in fact, there are so many good developers out there, not just developers, so many good professionals. It's not just in tech as a whole, not only in tech, both in tech, both in designing, both outside tech and thereabout. You can learn it for free. You can do it yourself. You don't have to pay a big amount of money to learn it. All you have to take up your phone, go to Google, search for the particular thing you want to learn, and then you see a whole lot of free platforms, free courses to that I can go through. Now there's actually a trick that someone I saw a video online about if you want to learn. Now if you have heard of, I guess people have heard of LinkedIn, right? If you've heard of LinkedIn has some courses, like professional courses, that if you go through them, you can actually see that you are now a professional in that field. If whether you are into tech or you're not into tech, whether you are a product manager, a social media manager, whatsoever you want to do, they have courses on LinkedIn. And most times, if you're on the LinkedIn app, to get those courses, you have to pay for it. But there's a trick to it. And what is that trick? Now, the person, according to the video, I think, and I tried it out. If you know of Telegram app, download Telegram app into your phone. Go there and type in the course you want to learn. Just say LinkedIn learning. If I want to learn video editing, for example, just type LinkedIn learning video editing, and it will pop out different videos of different people that gave free videos on how to learn that particular thing. So if you want to also learn tech as well, whether it's you're learning programming, any programming languages, whether it is C sharp, Python, whatever the language is, just go there as well. Type. That's one platform. Then also you can make use of YouTube. Of course, YouTube has so many videos, like a whole ocean of videos. But the problem with YouTube is the fact that you cannot actually know which one is best or which one is suitable for you. That's just the problem with YouTube. That's the problem most persons actually encounter when they're making use of YouTube. So the only way you can actually overcome that challenge is the fact that just go to Google first of all, type in the best YouTuber on that particular field. Then YouTube will help you streamline the best YouTubers that have discussed that particular language. Then from there, you can then go to YouTube and then search the ones you actually want to go through their course and download their courses. That is number 2. Number 3, we have platforms like FreeCodeCamp, right? And I think there are a whole lot more. Even some YouTubers actually created free platforms where they put in the videos of a particular programming language or whatsoever. So we have different ways. Like I said before, you can make use of Telegram through LinkedIn learning. You can make use of YouTube. You can also make use of a platform called FreeCodeCamp that has different videos to help you reach your goal.